Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can ask the AI on Base44 to regenerate your app page design. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so here in the app designer on Base44, make sure that you're within the given workspace and have access to the given app. Then click into or select the page first here of your app and then navigate to the edit mode here. After that, click into the layer or the background page. And in the very bottom left corner, you will see this option, Regenerate Design. Click into it. And then you may, for example, provide further instructions for the regeneration request. So for example, go with switch colors, or you can type custom command here. Let me go with start fresh with a new design for the sake of this tutorial, and you will see the command or request here related to the given layer of your page, which is the background canvas, right? And then the artificial intelligence will start creating that new design, so give it a few moments. And yes, as you can see, that's the dashboard page we're going to edit. And yes, guys, so yeah, wait for the process to be finished, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.